secure the painter. And then after securing all the painter and removing the lashing, you need to go inside the lifeboat and then secure all safety belt. Make sure all safety belt are in fasten.
Your body is mga dalan. Neutral. Neutral. Anak, sawa ng kano. Gugutin mo nang mamatay.
Tawa na siya mamatay.
Patayin mo.
Ayan, smoke signal.
Take out pyrotechnics and explain pyrotechnics. Pyrotechnics. Explain.
This one is rocket parachute flare. 4 pieces inside the lifeboat. Both lifeboat have 4 pieces.
For what rocket parachute? For what?
This one is used for emergency distress. We will use this one during night time or during if you sight a vessel near to your position, you can release this one. Open the upper and lower over. This one upper and this one is the lower. The lower part.
Tama, yan.
Ito nga. Kaso sarado.
Okay.
The lower part have a ring. Need to pull. In this one, this here is the rocket. Go on the air. Need to pull. Need to pull just only. Take off the damp rope paper. Take out the pull ring. Pull ring. And pull it out. And then, hold your hands firmly and let it shoot vertically. Vertical.
Do not aim at the
Do
vessel.
not aim at the vessel or on the helicopter. Just only pull, then vertical, hold vertical.
Chief Command 3 completed. Just forward to the
Okay, we need to go to the
Lifeboat equipment. Yes, I got you. Ah, okay.
Also in the lifeboat we have
hand flare. Hand flare first.
food ration. We have also in the lifeboat
Remove this
fresh water.
pin.
In the lifeboat we have
The
medicine.
cover.
We
This one
have
is the
also
cover.
fishing tackles. Yeah.
And
When
then
everybody
turn this.
in emergency situation. What
And
is
then
the lifeboat?
Just only hold with your hands. If you sight a vessel near
And then as per
Maalam ang pula. Kasi red hand flare.
we give water. Everything will be
Blue hand flare yan.
because
Blue
in
yan.
emergency situation we cannot
inside of the lifeboat have 6 pieces. 6 pieces.
water motivation for survival.
You sight cap, point away from
Radar
Sulat na ang orange boy.
then pull off ring rapidly. Hand remains clear of hot end. Meron din siyang ring na kailangan i-pull. And then throw it away in the water.
Where is radar reflection?
Either
Here we have radar reflector. It is installed outside on the hull.
Ito,
this one.